Altium Designer, the industry-leading software for PCB design. With powerful tools like multi-board design, advanced simulation, Altium has recently launched Altium 365, a cloud-based platform developed by Altium to enhance collaboration and streamline the PCB design process. Altium 365 is a cloud-based platform that lets you collaborate with your team in real time, no matter where you are. Share your designs, track changes, and manage your projects seamlessly anytime, anywhere. Altium Student Lab is a special initiative by Altium that offers free license for students. It provides students with access to professional PCB, printed circuit board, design tools and resources to support their academic and personal projects. It also provides certificates for students. Check the link given in the description and experience Altium 365.